Let's look at how a cylinder head is manufactured. A cylinder head is a crucial component in an engine. You can think of it as a cover that closes the top of an engine so it forms part of the combustion chamber, where air and fuel mix. The cylinder head also houses ports which are connected to intake and exhaust valves. It is usually found beneath the engine cover of a car. So how is it made? Aluminium is used mainly for its high strength to weight ratio. It is melted at temperatures of around 800 degrees centigrade. The next step involves using a die cast machine. Die casting is a manufacturing process used to produce metal parts through the use of molds, which are called dies. A mold is a hollow cavity of a desired shape in a solid. So for instance, suppose we were to cast this aluminium wheel. Our molds would look like this. Aluminium would fill the cavity and the two halves will be clamped together until the liquid turns to solid. The drawing shows some of the key parts of a die casting machine. Notice the vent at the top part of the mold. Since the liquid will start filling from the bottom, air will rise up and escape through this vent. The process starts by clamping the two dies together. The piston then pushes the molten aluminum which fills the cavity of the mold. Trapped air is Trapped air in the cavity is forced out through the vent. Cooling takes place, which solidifies the aluminum. The movable die is ejected. It holds the cylinder head. The cylinder head is then removed from the die. Excess material formed due to the vent at the top and the filling tube at the back is cut off. The next step is machining. Machining is a metal cutting process to produce finely shaped cutouts. It is normally used to make bolting holes as shown. The cylinder head is then ready for some final polishing before being used.